Have you ever experienced the firm handshake of someone and in that moment felt like you could effortlessly squeeze through their hand if you wanted to? Perhaps you envisioned the ability to crush their bones into a powder with a mere grip. Alternatively, maybe these thoughts linger about your own hands. Yet the challenge arises in the impossibility of shaking your own hands. The question then arises, how can you truly gauge the strength and resilience of your own hands? This contemplation struck me in my younger years, leading me to a resolute decision. I refuse to be the person with a handshake that exudes softness, resembling that of a delicate feminine touch. In this video, I share insights on avoiding such an impression and guide you on achieving hands that radiate strength and masculinity. First off, I've got to drop a bit of a truth bomb on you guys. Unfortunately, you can't really grow your fingers because there are no muscles in there. It's just skin, bone, and ligaments mostly. Now, you can grow the ligaments a little bit through exercise and things like grip training, but not very much. You're kind of limited to your genetics. Unfortunately, I have long, slender fingers, so I just got to deal with it. But what you can do is focus on growing these mid and outer hand muscles, the thenar, thumb, lumbricale, between finger bones, and hypothenar, outside muscle. You can grow all of these muscles, giving you a nice, thick handshake. So how do you grow them? The answer is simple: muscle hypertrophy. Just like any other muscle, the harder you hit it, if you're raising the weight and the resistance, your muscles have no choice but to grow. That is the thesis of fitness. Forcing your body to adapt to stress, telling your body it needs to be doing more, it needs to get stronger, and it has no choice but to adapt, get stronger, and build muscle to achieve that strength. You use your hands all day, opening stuff, holding pencils, opening car doors, your backpack, whatever. So, they're very used to these minimal movements all day long, making them quite stubborn. You have to hit them with hard resistance that they're not used to. I'm talking big weights and big resistance. One thing you can do is more grip-focused exercises like rows, deadlifts, and pull-ups. All of these require a hard squeeze, and if you let go, you will fail the exercise. Adding a fat grip to these exercises can intensify your grip training. It's a tool that expands the width of the bar, making it bigger and harder to hold on to. This simulates picking up a larger, thicker object, requiring more effort from your hands. Next, you can try high-weight cable workouts, inspired by arm wrestler Devin Larratt. These exercises can contribute to growing your hands, giving you a potential advantage in various activities. Lastly, for a more convenient approach, you can incorporate grip strength trainers into your routine. These are small rubber rings that you can squeeze anytime, anywhere. It's a subtle way to train your hands and grip consistently, whether you're in class, driving, or watching TV. Alternatively, you can use a legitimate grip trainer for more resistance. By consistently incorporating these exercises and tools into your routine, you can work towards achieving bigger, more powerful hands. I hope you enjoyed the video and feel free to suggest other topics for future discussions. Until next time, peace.